Susan. Today I'm doing days 4 through 7 of Junk Journal January. And this challenge is hosted by Meg's Journals in collaboration with Get Messy Art. And there's a lot of different collaborators that are taking different days to do a prompt. And Meg has a playlist on her channel where you can go and see what everyone has made. And all of us can participate, but it's fun to see what those that we know in the junk journal land have done. I've already done number 4 because I did not cut on my camera. And it was decorated tags, and I decorated this tag, added some embellishments, did the same for these 3. I didn't decorate these too terribly much because they were pretty anyway. I added what this was, number 4 decorated tags, and then just added a little bling and tied it up with a pretty ribbon. And I made this one into a pocket. So I hope you'll enjoy 5 through 7 as well. And be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January to see what everyone has made. So y'all have a great and wonderful day, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here are the rest of my prompts. For number 5, I've got routine. And I started with cherish the simple things, because your routine is a simple thing to do, but it's part of your life, part of your everyday. I always start mine out by doing my Bible study. The rest of it kind of comes and goes. I always have a routine for crafting, for cooking, for loving my pets, coffee, and of course taking care of my family, because that's what I do when I cook. I cook what they like. And for number 6, for stitched. This is part of a doily that my grandmother made, and it was coming apart. It was unraveling, so I save a little piece of it to have in here. It's been stained and everything, and it's been years since I've done any kind of embroidery, probably since the 80s, and I forgot how much I enjoyed it. But I just stitched these little flowers on that piece of burlap ribbon. And the last one, number 7, is shimmer, and I just wrote cherish yesterday, live for today, and dream for tomorrow. And I just added some gel pen, that metallic gel pen that shimmers, and my shimmery dragonflies. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January, and be sure and check out Meg's channel as well as Get Messy Art. And be sure and check out Meg's playlist for all the other collaborators that are participating. So I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.